a lot is the BP transaction. So how you get to this transaction is we just created a variant. We just created a web app query, and I'll just show. It's in one of the tutorials, okay, where it shows the this what are the transaction codes that didn't make it to S4 HANA. So here, just to make you understand, what I'm going to do is I'll just show you the display join. This is the three tables that I have joined, okay. One is this, so it will show. So I'll just make it a little bigger so everyone can see. So this is the table brgn underscore ca tstct and tstcv, okay. And this is the join condition, and you can create a web query very easily. This is the selection screen, okay. SAP transaction code, and the list field is here, okay. Now I'll just execute, and I will want to know what are the transaction that is replaced with BP transactions. So you can see a bunch of transaction that got replaced with BP. So it's like a they killed a lot of birds. Killed a lot of birds with one stone, you know. So if you see, they have got rid of all these important all these transactions. Now they have is replaced by BP, so it's more simplified, okay. So I'll just touch some of them, okay. The some of them touching would be, I'll just go to XK03. It's a very heavily used transaction. I'll use XK03, and it opens up here. But if I go into, okay, I'll just take this thing out, and I'll press I'll not create it. Okay, so let me go here, XK03, and I'll just check with what is there in the vendor master. Okay, so I'm just searching. So I'll just pick one. Okay, and I'll click address, and if you see, uh, this will say they are going to redirect me to VP transaction. So it's searching. So here you see redirecting to VPS transaction XK03 is obsolete. Okay, so this is one major change that has happened. Now another thing is XD03. Okay, so if you go, and that's for customer. Okay, so here I just go and pick one. So that's a major change. So if someone knows have worked in S4 HANA, you will know whether he has really worked or not. You just ask them whether they what is it replaced means. I'm not saying it's replaced. This transaction code are replaced, but the underlying table is the same. So here, if you see, we go here again. So XD03, and click create. So here it didn't say anything, but it's taking me to the BP transaction. So in order to understand whether it's a BP transaction or not, it should show, it still shows XT03, but this is really a BP transaction. Okay, so this is one, these are one big changes. So BP transaction, XK03, XT03, and there was a bunch of other transaction, XK01, you know, the VA0, the not VA01, VD01, all those things are replaced by BP transactions. So that's a major change in S4 HANA.